Am I audible?
Yeah. Carry on.
Yes, please. Okay, this is the outlook. Lamp's rated voltage is 12 volt and rated power is 60 watt. So the filament resistance at operating temperature is 2.4 ohm. Note that resistivity and hence resistance is temperature dependent. This value applies only at the lamp's normal working temperature.
Annotate. By annotation, you have to describe. Otherwise, I can't understand which point you are describing, which point you are telling. I can't actually catch that. That is why you have to annotate. Without annotation, no flexible, wonderful class. Okay. So it's very, very important and significant party which you have to follow. Without following this feature, you can't actually make understand distance freely, fairly, frankly, and deeply. Understand? So you have to know how to annotate something. Here, if set power equals v squared upon r, then you have to show what does p mean, what does v mean, and what does r mean. Okay, understand what I've said? Carry on. Carry on. Why you stop?
Yes, please.
I've
Just
said
a minute.
you have to annotate. If you don't know how to annotate, then
To finding the cross-sectional area, so just convert diameter into radius, just like this.
don't write like this way. You will write in short format. I have described here to the point. That is why you've seen this bigger format. Carry on.
Okay, this is the outlook of the area calculation. A is equal to pi r square, the circle area, basically. A is equal to pi into the r, which we got by dividing by 2 the diameter. And obviously our answer has to be in standard form. And this is the final answer. We got the area. Always have the diameter to get the radius before applying the area formula. A common exam error is using diameter instead of radius.
Carry on.
Excuse me. Okay. These are the unit conversion message for warning or caution, whatever you say.
Don't read this.
Finding the length. Okay. Length is just r is equal to rho l by a. So this is the format. Calculating. A filament wire of over 2 meters is tightly coiled inside the tiny glass bulb, illustrating just how fine and densely wound the tungsten wire really is. The series circuit setup. Lamp A is like this, lamp B is like this, and you can just see. Lamp B has twice the resistance of lamp A, so in a series circuit it will receive twice the voltage. The key insight for evaluating the student's claim. Calculating current and voltages. Voltage across each lamp. Just like this. Series current. Just apply the current. B is equal to IR 8 volt and 16 volt. Lamp A receives only 8 volt, rated 12 volt, and lamp B receives 16 volt, rated 12 volt. Neither lamp operates at its rated conditions. Okay, so evaluating of the student's statement. The statement is incorrect. The student claims both lamps operate normally. In fact, neither lamp receives its rated 12 volt. Lamp A, dimmer than normal, receives only 8 volt instead of 12 volt. The current through it is lower than its design current, so it glows dimmer and dissipates less power than 60 watt. Lamp B, brighter and at rest, receives 16 volt instead of 12 volt. Above its rated voltage, it glows brighter than normal and is likely to overheat and burn out.
Just dimmer. Point.
And these are the very important thing. Memory rules nail every single question. Sir, একটা সেকেন্ড, হ্যাঁ একটা সেকেন্ড স্যার, এটা দিয়ে ফ্রি।
Okay, where are you going? Where? Yeah. Yeah. If you say the geometry of this activity, find R using R equals V square of B and A using A equals pi R square. Use the radius, not the diameter. Find O using R A upper row. Guys, this is very important and significant formula which I have to apply here. By applying this, you will find out the length and you will find out other quantities. Yeah, you have to remember this mnemonics are in this features. Can practice with this easy. The fact says, stay sad. This
ওকে, ডিনার বলে
বেরিয়েছিল বেরিয়েছিল
filament length rule, electricity geometry resistivity. Find R using R is equal to V square by P. Find A using area formula. Use radius, not diameter. Find L using L is equal to R rho L by P.
this dimmer and high dimmer. What do
Series circuit rule. Current stays same. Voltage splits by resistance. High R is equal to high V. Risk of overrating. Low R is equal to low V. Operates below rating dimmer. Okay, these are the tips and tricks. Think, share money. The bigger resistance, take the bigger share of the voltage pot. What a fantastic line by Gyasuddin sir.
Thanks. What have you understood from this?
Basically, the format of writing the answer and step-by-step calculation.
But you won't write it as like a
Particular formulas has to be known in order to solve, and have to know the rearranging format, how to rearrange formulas and unit conversions. And lastly, follow the errors, correct your errors. If you think something is wrong, you might cross-check. And finally, take a look at the suggestions, memory rules, which are the suggestions for the formulas which have to be used step by step, and logically think every part of the question carefully. Thank you. A magnificent PPT, short PPT created by Mohammad Gyasuddin sir, principal of GFC School.
and
Prepared by Mohammad Gyasuddin sir, principal of GFC School and ultimate physics mentor of Cambridge, Edexcel, and IB curriculums, respectively.
okay, nice. It's another note which I have provided this level physics students in the tool. Guys, you can see this is actually web-based note, PDF note, which is very dazzling looking, colorful, wonderful, and mind-blowing. It's actually web-based concept related diffraction, getting, and progress of light will discuss. Carry on. Wait.